Hey fives, and welcome to your lesson on using a protractor. So I got this from Woolworths, but you can also get mum and dad to get you one from Officeworks for about 99 cents, okay? So if you don't have one, please ask mum and dad to see if they've got one around the house or if they can get one for you. It'll be super easy to use one, okay? So I'm going to show you how to measure up. I have used a ruler for this, however, I didn't measure it up correctly. So what you guys would actually need to do is use a ruler to rule up your letters of your name, okay? You can also make this beautiful and colorful. It's completely up to you, but at least we need to see where all the angles are, okay? So first I'm going to get my protractor out, and I do apologize for the angle of this. It is quite hard to film and also do it at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my protractor measured right in the middle here. I hope you can see that. So right in the middle, so that line here where it goes to 90 degrees, that's your 90-degree angle, okay? And I'm measuring up my line with the point here, okay, as you can see. And then I've made sure that it's on my 0, okay? So I'm going to have a look at these numbers, the 0 to 90 numbers, okay? So what I'm going to do is then I'm going to have a look at where it is. So it's got 60, okay, 61, 62. So it is 62 degrees, okay? So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it here, okay, a little mark, and then I'm going to write 62 degrees here, okay? So I know that's 62 degrees, all right? Then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to then measure the other bit of my Z, okay? So again, I'm going to get the middle part right in the center here. It is quite hard doing it upside down. You might actually need to turn your page upside down. Let's do that. We'll turn it upside down a little bit easier. Make sure that it's in the middle, okay? And you've lined the 0 up with the line as well, okay? Again, yours will be a lot straighter and a lot more accurate than mine, okay? And the same thing again, I'm going to start from 0 and then I'm going to count, okay? And this one's 61, okay? It's literally 1 degrees off my other one. If I did rule this up correctly, it would be 62 degrees as well, okay? So I'm going to do my little line here, then I'm going to do 61, okay? And these are both examples of what angle, okay? These are both examples of what angle, an acute angle, because they're less than 90 degrees, okay? Next, I'm going to do my U, okay? My U looks pretty straight. Hopefully it is. I'm going to now measure up my line here, okay? Move it a little bit to make sure that the 0 matches up, okay? Line, okay, and that's 91 degrees, okay? It would normally be 90, but I didn't rule it up properly good enough. And then I'm going to do my little thing here, and it is 91 degrees, okay? Can we all see how I'm doing that as well? I'm doing the degrees. You also, oh, I should have written that the proper way. Sorry, I've written it upside down. You also can measure the outside here, okay? So this, okay, all up together would be 360. So you go 360, take away 61, okay, which will be what? 299 degrees, okay? This angle here is 299 because it's 61. 360 take away 61, okay? So you'll be finding all the different angles of your name, okay? I've just started off. So because this would be parallel, that would also be the same degrees here, but I would still actually measure it out, okay? Have a go, okay? If you have any problems, just let your teacher know. But that's how you're supposed to use a protractor.